Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into a hair tutorial on how I do the styling of my hair currently. Right now I am using the DevaCurl Supercream and the DevaCurl Frizz-Free Volumizing Foam. And if you're wondering, I have, from porosity tests, I have low porosity. If you want to see how I use these two products on my hair, well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the hair tutorial.
Here we have our shocking before. And what I did is I took a shower and I used the DevaCurl No Poo and the Melt into Moisture and then wet plopped my hair. After that, I am ready for some time. It's probably been like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm releasing that plop. Oh, so exciting. The unleashing of the hair. So what I'm going to do now is take some clips, separate my hair half up, half down, and clip the hair. And then with a spray bottle from Amazon, the Beautify Beauties, I'm going to spray my hair just so that it is still wet while I'm styling it. And I'm going to take the DevaCurl Supercream first. So I'll take a pump of the Supercream, and then what I'm going to do is rake the product through the half of the hair, and then scrunch it, do that to the whole half, and then take this top section, spray it with the bottle, just so that it's easier to style, nothing's getting frizzy, and I'm going to rake through the Supercream again through the top and scrunch that as well. I continue to repeat this sort of process of taking each section, spraying it, and then raking through the product. For the front, I do it a little bit different because the front, I finger coil it and I kind of bounce the hair too so that I can see which is the natural curl and which curl wants to go together, and I finger coil them. I keep on doing that and I go the way the curl wants to and scrunch. It's time for the volumizing foam. So with this, I kind of used it as a gel. I probably should have used a gel, but I really liked how these go together, and then I diffuse. So this diffuser is super big and super awesome. It's an attachment, it's on Amazon, and it's just a Revlon blow dryer, and I use the low setting and the warm to cool button setting on my blow dryer. I diffuse the roots first so that those get dry quicker, and then the rest of the hair I start to diffuse, and it's a long process. It takes quite a while, and yeah, that's it.
And that completes my hair tutorial on how I currently style my curly hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram @NessaSunshine. I combine beauty and hair and skin care because all of them are a part of beauty. Well, makeup, hair, and skincare. I love all of them, but I'm focused on mainly makeup. Also, if you want to get this eye look, well, click up there. There will be a tutorial. If you made it this far in the video, tell me, what kind of hair do you have? Do you have curly hair? Do you have wavy hair? Do you have straight hair? You're just watching this for fun because you're curious. Well, comment down below if you made it this far in the video, what kind of hair type you have, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!